Ka Special Investigation Team jangki Pulit ke Jela, haka arterek unai wiang arhajar arpuar. Kila cameo Commandant jangki SF10 ubak Gabriel K Iangrai, halor gejing keno boleh don keti haka Jyrsieh Thied Kali, haka tnad Pulit, haka Pol Budang Bat kumu Additional Inspector General Administration. Kita long kubor kli itu ba kakenhon CID kelalit ben kenrai ke yang sa jong Bah Iangrai bat hadin kania kalakam sendoni u. Kita long kubor kli itu ba ketenat CID kala register mukaduma persya ayu Bah Iangrai hapok ke Prevention of Corruption Act. Bat kelatung ya kakenhon CID banti benia halor kena kekam. Ban cepen kan mau ka fact finding team jangki Pulit kelati benia akabaidai bat ke Jyrsieh Thied Kali hak tenat Pulit. Bala keno bo Bah Iangrai ula pedan kam baklai kebor da ke babat haladi hadu arp kondai teligi kali klem de ojing bet. Prateli ke Bajaj Pulsar ke belah Thied hagas nam arhajar kat kandai bat igi kali belah Thied ru omsyamla register namar ke jing bambiang ki kot kisla. Ka fact finding team hadian ke jing ti benia ikini ke jing keno keladat ban IT ke kai pot sya katenat korbari ha kalai potrek unailar arhajar arpuar. Nalor kania keladon ru ke jing ujor ha ke yang syari da ke public interest litigation halor kania ke Jyrsieh Thied Kali bat menta kadang don hapdeng ke jing tian bishar. Hadian ba ka fact finding team keladat ban IT ke kai pot ke sarkar jala kelatung ya ke departmental inquiry ba keladat beru ban IT ke article of charge bat ke disciplinary committee kan sekmi benia habar okiliang ban le ya ke badan kam.
By the rules. So accordingly, law prevails, and then let the law take its own course. Well, the next move is the office procedures is there. Ultimately, we have no option. Once it is arrested, then we have to go for suspension. That is there. Okay? We have to go for suspension, and then ultimately let the law, as I said, to proceed further till the final conclusion is arrived. Then we will see what is to be done. I think you need to understand one thing. Since action has been taken by the concerned department, means number one is arrest, and next the procedures is in place. So let the law enforcing agency take care of everything, and then we'll see, as I said, because ultimately now, because this issue has come also in the High Court, where I think ultimately everything will be there, black and white, and transparency also will be there, black and white.